So we'll start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine the string from the crown up towards the sky. Keep the chin parallel, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down. We'll turn the palms out. We'll inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. So again, inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. Now inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale, exhale, bring the hands down, and bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around, swapping them over, coming up and around. So we'll swap and gentle movement with the arms, so no straining at all, keeping it really smooth. So bring the arms down, bring the palms together to the chest, feet together. And we'll inhale, lengthen up, exhale over to the right. But keep the body facing forwards. Come center, inhale, exhale to the left. And back to center. Inhale, exhale over, maybe a little further. Come in center, inhale, and exhale. So pushing the hips away. Back to center. Inhale and exhale. Come in center. Inhale and exhale. And back to center. So we'll work on the lower joints. So weight on that right leg and we'll work into the left hip. So just find a comfortable range. So it's not too clunky or grinding, just nice smooth movement. And we'll go the other way. And keeping the leg up, we're working on that knee joint. So if you place the fingertips on the kneecap, you should feel the movement underneath the fingers. And then we'll go the other way. And holding onto the knee and working into that ankle joint. And the other way. And bring the leg down. Onto the right hip. And again, just that smooth movement. And the other way. Fingertips to the knee joint, circling. And the other way. Holding on to the knee and rotating the ankle. And the other way. Now we'll bring that leg down. And we'll get ready for triangle pose. So starting with the legs nice and wide. Turning that right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. Keep that front thigh engaged. We'll inhale, exhale sideways, then bring the right arm down, left arm up. Keep that body facing forwards. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale, reach a little further. One arm down, the other one straight up, palms facing forwards, so not leaning on the leg. Coming back to center. Inhale, exhale, reach as far as we can. Remember, nothing should hurt. It just finds your triangle pose where it's challenging but not painful. And come back up, turn the feet around. Inhale, exhale sideways. Left arm down, right arm up. Holding there, nice and easy to start with. Coming back, inhale, exhale a little further. Remember to keep breathing. Coming back, last one. Inhale, exhale, reach. And maybe even looking up to the hand. And coming up. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. One hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.